What's up guys, welcome back to the project. And while I sit here with my voice still like croaky and I'm obviously very tired and sunburnt on my nose here, I'm peeling, I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, so I just wanted to talk about this. I just got my festival wristband off. So I've been away at download for the last week or whatever it is. Oh, we're on Friday now. I went away last Tuesday. So I've been gone like 12 days or something. At the moment I'm editing up all my download festival videos while it's still fresh in the memory and people want to see that content. I just wanted to talk about getting a festival wristband off without having to cut it like this. So obviously the main components are the little toggle, which you can see in there. It's got teeth which hooks onto the material where it's toggled on there. So normally you would have to cut the wristband if you don't get it off this way. But this is a way to do it without breaking the toggle. Obviously you can just smash the toggle apart with the hammer or whatever. In there with the hooks you can see a little bit of material is like caught on the hooks. You can use like a fork and just like poke down there to push the little hooks off, if that makes sense. It makes it a bit easier. So what you want to do, just twist the double end, that end. If you just keep twisting it up tight as you can, just keep twisting, and then on your wrist hand, if you turn your wrist and then push the toggle down, it should pop, if that makes sense. It should just slide down slightly, which will give you enough room to squeeze your hand out, and then you can just pull the wristband like that. Easy. Okay, there we go. There's my wristband on my wrist. Toggle's not coming off, I'm trying. You can see that. So I'll show you the example again. Roll this end round as tight as possible. Feels weird having my face in the background. As tight as possible. Then like sort of twist your wrist, then pull it down, bang, straight off. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to post up all my download videos over the next couple of days or whatever. So go ahead and subscribe for more videos. We've got loads of gigs and festivals coming up. So yeah, do that. Drop a like on the video if this helped. See you in the next one. Peace.